Hello and welcome. In this video, we will cover how to complete a planned monitoring round. Ad hoc sampling is covered separately, but even in a planned monitoring round, you can collect ad hoc data. A monitoring round has been planned, scheduled on a daily basis, and assigned to me. I am going to work through this round to collect field data, including observations, groundwater readings, field chemistry that includes stabilization results, custom field data, and a lab sample along with containers and analysis, which I'm going to send to the lab. When logged into the SStat Field app on a tablet or phone, a standard field user can see all of the monitoring rounds that have been assigned to them. When using the Field app, it's important the monitoring round is downloaded onto the mobile device before heading out of range of reception. This green icon indicates the monitoring round is downloaded. Click on a planned round to view a list of the location visits. Firstly, I acknowledge this round and change the fieldwork status. I will then set the fieldwork status to in progress, as I am now collecting the field data. Click on the SDG button to create a sample delivery group that will be used to send the sample details and analysis request to the lab. Select the lab name and lab quote, and then save. The COC number must be unique for the project and is auto-generated using today's date. This can be edited to any unique identifier. Other details such as the lab contact, report due, and purchase order number, for example, can be populated. Before the SDG can be sent to the lab, the results required by or turnaround time must be populated. Save the added details and then exit to return to the planned location visits. Click on the first planned location visit to record details. The site, location, arrival time, and executed by are auto-generated. Enter any comments and any other custom data fields you have configured. Click on the GW tab and then add groundwater record to enter groundwater data. Select the well, and if not dry, enter water and well depth. For this well, the depth is 5.2, with base of well 7.5 meters. Enter any comments before going to the Field Chem tab to record sample data. Click Add Sample and select the well and matrix type. Sampled by is already auto-populated. For this sample, stabilization results for pH and electrical conductivity, EC, are being recorded. Note that pH is deemed stable within 0.2 over 3 results, and EC is deemed stable within 5%, also over 3 results. Enter the first readings of 6.5 for pH and 1200 for EC, and click on the RHS arrow to enter the next reading, which is 6.8 and 1260 for electrical conductivity. The next reading is 6.6 for pH and 1245 for electrical conductivity. The EC has stabilized by showing green, but not yet pH, which is highlighted in red. Therefore, another reading is taken and recorded as 6.7 and 1255 for electrical conductivity. The sample readings are now both stable, so we will collect a lab sample. There is a planned lab sample at this location, with the containers and analysis specified. Collect the sample for sending to the lab. Select the COC defined earlier and the well. Other fields such as sample type, matrix type, and sampled by are pre-populated. The field ID is also pre-populated, but can be auto-generated as a concatenation of the location, well, and date. Enter the sampling method, which is low flow, and any comments before selecting the containers. These containers have been pre-populated from the planned analysis. Additional containers can be added if needed in the field. Select these 3 sampling containers that will be sent to the lab. Review and select the planned analysis. For this sample, all are requested and the lab sample updated. If needed, additional unplanned lab samples can be added to the location visit by clicking Add Sample. Any photos or files can also be uploaded for a location visit. Click Save and then Exit to return to the planned location visit list. The next location visit can now be collected. Data collection in all the location visits can be seen by clicking on these tabs: groundwater, field samples, field chemistry, lab samples, and any photos and files. It is possible to vary from the plan and create ad hoc location visits and collect any associated data by clicking Add Location Visit. Once I've finished collecting all my field data, I will click SDGs to select the sample delivery group and complete the relinquished information and save these details. I can also preview and send the request to the laboratory, or a manager can review and send it from the office. Once finished with the fieldwork, I can mark the monitoring round status as fieldwork complete, which will notify the person supervising this monitoring round. Thank you for watching. Further documentation is available online at the SSTAT support portal.